Hello and happy Monday. It is super stormy and windy out today, like insane. It'll be like quiet for a little while and then we'll get super huge gusts. Thankfully, it is like 4 p.m. now and we haven't lost power yet. I feel like we might, but so far so good. So that's been good for me because I've been able to work. Obviously, if we lose power, I'll lose Wi-Fi and I won't be able to work. So crossing my fingers that doesn't happen. But yeah, we got an alert on our phones about a wind warning. So that's happening today. I know some other people in the area have said they've lost power, so hopefully that doesn't happen to us. But yeah, it was very nice out for a couple days and now we've got the nasty weather. Our basketball net just fell down and that's my car. And I usually park my car right there. So that was a close one. Yeah. Turns out that was actually a false alarm. The basketball net did fall over, but it fell into the street and my dad moved it into the driveway so that obviously it wasn't blocking the road or anything. So when I looked out the window, I thought it had fallen like almost on my car, but fake news. Good morning, it's Wednesday today. I have a meeting today where I have to present, so I figured I would put some makeup on in case I need to turn on my camera on our meeting. So I think I'll put some makeup on today, even though I'm not going anywhere, obviously. And I also have a live stream later tonight as well, so I'll look somewhat presentable for that also. So I actually went through the effort of putting a little bit of makeup on, and then the meeting that I was supposed to have today got moved till tomorrow. So that's kind of annoying, but I do have a live stream tonight at 8 for Riverdale, so I guess it won't completely go to waste. Anyone else with short hair have this problem where like if you don't use heat on your hair and like style it, sometimes you get little pieces that just stick straight out? It's so annoying. Heyo, it's Thursday today, and I am sitting or kneeling on the floor because I'm actually going to do a yoga video. I feel very sluggish today, and I feel like I need to move a little bit. But I didn't want to do any intense workout or anything. So I found a video by Yoga with Adrienne. I've followed her videos before, she's awesome. And it is a gentle, relaxing, cozy flow. It's 21 minutes long. And I felt it was appropriate because I can just hang in my sweatshirt and my leggings and my fuzzy socks and do some yoga. So I think I'm going to do that. And then after this, we have our game night, Thirsty Thursday Zoom thing. We're on Zoom. It's me and Alex right now. Alexa was here, but I didn't vlog it. And Sophia was here. She's supposed to be rejoining us because Zoom has that weird 40-minute limit. So we just kind of leave and come back.
Time.
What'd you say?
So we ain't paying for that extra time.
No, we are not upgrading because we cheap. So we just close it out and then go back in. We might play a game on this playing cards thingy that I've mentioned before in the vlogs. But yeah, we're doing our Thursday thing. Alex has her, what are you drinking? Angry Orchard?
Orchard?
That's her go-to. And mine's almost gone, halfway gone. It's Tito's, Sprite, and some random juice I found in my fridge, which seems to be the go-to. Yeah, the drink of champions this quarantine. So that's what we're doing. Good morning and happy Saturday from New England. Yep, it's snowing out. Friggin' snowing out today. Luckily, nobody has anywhere really to go, so that means less snow cleanup and less cars to clean, which is nice, but it doesn't appear to be sticking to the roads or anything, so that's good. But of course, it would be our luck to get a snowstorm during a worldwide pandemic. Love that for us.